What's everybody, Stixx Picks here, back in the video. We are at the flea market like always. We're at a different flea market today. I don't know if you can tell just by looking at it, but it looks pretty high-end to me. We've never been here before. We're selling here. And it's a bit rainy today, so it might be a little bit less people here than normal, but we'll see what we can find.
Oh, it's not jewelry. No, it's us. Oh, yeah. Oh. Then we get leftovers from the States. Okay.
It's a pretty quality racket to me. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Alright. Disgusting. This is the case right now.
That's for
How much? $7. It's probably worth like 20, 25. It's all good. This place looks like they probably know what they're selling here. A lot of places, a lot of the stalls are set up like they look like they know what they're selling. This place definitely seems good to sell at. Like I think we'll probably do good selling at our own stall. I'm not exactly sure about how good we'll do picking though, because I don't know, a lot of these stalls just seem like they know what they're selling. It's like all specifically set up to one thing. Like I guess this one's got two. They got some cups and some jewelry.
my terms today? No, nothing to negotiate.
What's that? For here?
Yeah,
For helping us?
yeah, yeah, sure.
No, I just said you have to do it.
Because I love you.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up? How you doing?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm alright myself.
There's no hollows. I think there's only like one or two in there.
Yeah,
but I'm giving the whole box for $5.
Alright. Yeah, I'm trying to find some sealed packs. I'm gonna open some myself.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
All right, have a good one, man.
You too. How much are all these cards? How much are the stack of cards?
$15 for all the cards.
Are you sure all these cards are real? Some of them kind of look weird. I don't know, because I know a lot of packs are fake from the flea markets and stuff.
No, I bought them all on Amazon.
Oh, all right.
They came in like legitimate packages.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Dang, that was a good stack of cards, I think too. But I'm pretty sure those are like 80% fake. They felt really off and looked really off too. But maybe you guys can tell through the camera if they are, but it's pretty easy to tell by feeling them and stuff. Will you guys take 20 for both of them? Yeah. You have a good day. How much on the games?
$5, I guess, for some of them. And
All right.
I'm doing the Xbox One ones with the console.
It's all right. I'm just looking for some Guitar Hero games.
That is the only one.
It's the only one?
Yeah.
All right. All good.
Everything's a little bit damp too.
Yeah,
this morning.
Yeah, it's a bit wet this morning.
All stuck together.
Would you go 3 on the game?
No, I think I'll say 5 for now, thanks.
All right, I'll get it still. Always worth trying.
Yeah, absolutely. Do you want a bag?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
All right, another Guitar Hero game for one of my guitars. I'm not exactly sure how much I'll even make spending $5 on it, but you know what? It's all good. I needed one of these games. Pretty sure I have the guitar for it, so.
Morning.
Good morning. How much you asking on the Gremlin?
$30. Probably 25.
All right.
It's good shape, man. It's like the box is pretty clean.
Yeah, it looks cool.
It's neat, huh? I just watched the movie with my wife. I was like, you never seen Gremlins?
Really? What the heck? How you never seen that movie?
I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe I married her.
Couldn't believe I married her.
Los he mantenido así como.
¿Cuál es este?
How much are they asking for something like this?
It's going for 150. Take it for 100.
All right.
The cool thing about this is that the plastic is not yellow. It was stored in a basement, like the sun never hit it.
All right.
And then Django Fett, he's going for like 80, 90 bucks. Give me 70 bucks for him. And this Tauntaun 50, and I haven't checked the price on that one yet. You know, in the boxes, any different ones in the yellow team, baby?
How much on the game?
I think it's going for like 50 bucks or 40, dude. Just let me check what the last one sold for. But I think I'm asking 30 here.
All right.
So let me double check. So yeah, it's going for 40.
All right.
Going for 40, 30 is a good fair price. $10 off. And the disc is clean. Have you checked the disc?
Yeah. It's fine.
And then the other one was.
So that's the girl. This is the girl.
Oh, that's a girl one?
The girl.
I think I saw his head and I was trying to find the hair because I saw one, but I don't know if it's the same one.
See, and that tote right there, I bought a whole lot.
Would you have a price for this whole thing of Pokemon cards?
You want the whole thing?
Yeah. Do you have a price for the whole thing, you think?
Yeah, we can work something out. So just right here is like $100 bucks. Let's just say, for God's sake, just $100 there. Most of them are like $4. Would you leave me the top loaders?
Oh, like all of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would, but I don't. It's fine, I think. Thank you, though.
$1 million.
No, I was thinking.
Oh, it's fine. You seem like you have a pretty retail price for it, so it's all good.
Oh, I'm not gonna sell it retail. If you want to buy the whole thing, it's not gonna be retail.
Yeah, it's fine though. I appreciate it though. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm not really trying to spend $10 off to make that $5 after eBay. Like, it's fine. You put up those 3 cards, they're $100 right there. I was like, dang. Is it complete?
I don't know. We just bought a storage unit and came with all this video game stuff. So.
All right, I get it. Let me see if it's complete. Would you do 25 for a game and for everything?
Not
the game?
really. I mean, all these are $4 each, $3 each, and that's 25. Yeah.
All right. So you wouldn't?
No, I wouldn't.
All right, that's fair.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You guys wouldn't go $10 to like something like this? It's like $5 a pack normally.
We'll do 10 on there, though.
All right, sweet. Thank you. I go for packs sometimes for my videos and stuff.
It works out, you know. You got something big, might look at something small, right?
Yeah, I hope there's something in there. You guys got a lot of Dragon Ball stuff over here? You seem to have a good amount of anime.
A lot of stuff out, so we're trying to.
All right, yeah, I'll come back around then.
Yeah, for sure. We'll be here.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day, man.
You too. The box is for surely messed up. Everything else is like plastic sealed inside of here. So I'll show you guys a bit more when we get to our own stall. Oh, that thing looks sick. How much are the posters?
The posters, how much are the posters now? 15. On the military.
All right. Yeah, everyone has like $8 to $10 on their games here. Like, that's fair. Like, that's probably almost how much they're worth, but I'm not really trying to pay that. If that's probably how much I'll end up selling them for, or like, it won't even add that much more value to my guitar if I'm paying $10 for it, right? Say it adds 20 more bucks. I paid $10. I guess that's a little bit of money, but I'm trying, I don't know. I just don't even feel like paying it. All right, guys. We bought some Pokemon packs earlier. We bought this little thing, so let's just open these. Let's see what we get. Woo! Dang, what the heck? We just opened that fast as heck, and look what we got. A Hisuian Typhlosion V-Star. That thing looks sick. Alright, sorry, let's see what we get from this one too. Another black code, come on. Let's do the 4 on this. Let's do the trick on this one, I guess. Come on. Oh snap. I think there's nothing back there. I don't see any cool coloring. Dang, freaking hollow. Look how open this is, guys. Look at that. It was raining a little bit earlier. I don't know as much today, but it was raining, so people aren't really showing up today. Look at. Also, this is my first time, so I don't know how full it is usually, but looks like there's a good amount of people missing here. This doesn't seem like a type of flea market to like do dollar sales, though, in my opinion. I guess we'll see if we hear any people screaming dollar, dollar, dollar. Dude, I paid $3 earlier or $5 earlier for a Guitar Hero game, and I set it down. And I just walked away. I forgot about it. I was too busy looking at his stuff for a little bit, a couple minutes, and then I just left. I forgot. This is all the stuff you'd probably want for personal use. Maybe not as much of a resale flea market, and that's just my opinion. There's definitely stuff that are here that you can probably resell. But like everybody here is pretty knowledgeable about what they're selling. Like it is very obvious that they know exactly what they're selling. I got my couple sales. I bought some Pokemon cards. Bought those 2 little tanks at the start. Paid 20 bucks for 2 of them. I'll most likely sell them for 40 to 50 bucks, which is double my money. We'll take it. That Guitar Hero set we bought at the start, unfortunately, wasn't completely full, but it was brand new. With the drum sets were brand new and a couple other things. It's missing the guitar. Is why it was so cheap, but it does sell for at least 80 bucks still, like 70 or 60 bucks with there's a drum set. All right, guys, we're back. We've been selling for a little bit. I haven't kept you guys updated, but we made some good sales. This actually might be our best day yet selling at the flea market with our Christmas lights. We sold a bunch of stuff. Almost the whole back of the truck is like sold. Like we did pretty solid. Would you like to say how much we've been sold so far today?
1,000.
Wow, that's our best day so far. We reached it. Our best day so far for the Christmas lights was $9.50. We did that at the Stockton flea market.
One person bought 700.
And that was one guy. This flea market, everyone likes Christmas lights. But it also is because it's reaching that Christmas time, but we're doing good on the Christmas lights now, which we like to see. I already knew this was gonna be I said at the beginning of my video.
These are incredible. I can't spin them out fast. $10 each or 4 for 35.
I said at the beginning of my video, Dad, I said we'll probably do good selling here. I said that. I was like, we'll probably do really good selling here, but I don't think I'll do too good picking here. And yeah, I called it, guys. Picking here is sort of different than other ones because a lot of people know what they're selling, which is, like I said a bunch of times, all right. That's good to know what you're selling. All right, y'all, we're done. We finished. We're all packed up, which is pretty fast. We didn't bring too much out today, but we did end up selling around $1,400 to $1,500, which is definitely our best sale for Christmas stuff. We'll take that. We'll take that. We needed that because most of the days we'll sell like 100 bucks, sometimes 200, a couple hundred sometimes, but a lot of time it's pretty cheap because people don't want to spend too much for Christmas, I guess.